In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PU Prime demo account. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to sign up for PU Prime, and then you will get the access to your dashboard over here. In here, you want to click on the Accounts tab, and then you want to switch to Demo Account over here, and then you'll be able to see all the demo accounts available to you. If you don't have one yet and you want to start using it, simply click on Open Account up top, switch to demo, and then here you can select either MT5 or MT4, select your account type, your account currency, the leverage you want to use, and then the account balance as well. Whenever you do that, press the submit button and your demo account is going to be created and you'll be able to see it over here on the list. Now, to use it, the first thing you have to do, you'll have to go to your email inside which you'll receive your login credentials to actually sign in to either MT4 or MT5. And then when you have these, so you'll receive like a login, which is usually going to be this number, and then a password, which is just something random, and then of course the server you want to use. And then here you can just click on the trade button, and it's going to basically take you either to over here, so PU Prime Online, and in here you could go ahead and actually sign into the web version. So if I click, I'm not sure why it took me to the website here, but you could just go ahead and click on the downloads tab here on the left. You could download either MT4 or MT5, and you can connect it to MT4, MT5, and then just trade in there. I have separate tutorials on how to do that, so just go watch these in case you are interested. Or if you want to use it here on the web, you could just use the web trader here, and you could just sign in just like that. So it's going to take you to the web trader. There we go. You have to then basically, as you can see, it automatically signed me in over here because I clicked the trade button previously over here on the accounts tab. And yeah, it's going to give you access to actually start using your account, trading on it, and stuff like that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.